Insert the extension legs into the fermenter legs and fasten using the carriage bolts, lock washers, and lock nuts. Ensure the fermenter height is low enough to allow gravity flow from the mash tun into the fermenter. Attach the adjustable height feet as shown, threading through the triangular plate and into the fermenter legs. Note placement of washer and nut. Connect the racking cane and attach a butterfly valve to the end using 1.5-inch tri-clamps and gaskets. Twist all connections hand tight to ensure a leak-free seal. Insert the racking arm and secure with a clamp and gasket. Attach the sample valve and port above. Note that with the UBP5, this port isn't available and sample valve can be attached to racking arm during fermentation process. Attach the thermowell. Attach the 2-inch 90-degree fitting using a 2-inch tri-clamp and gasket. Attach the 2-inch butterfly valve. Attach a 1.5-inch butterfly valve to the fermenter body. Add the butterfly valve to the racking arm and attach the quick disconnect fittings to the two 1.5-inch butterfly valves. Insert the brewing element and attach with 1.5-inch clamps. Attach the temperature-controlled solenoid valve and the quick disconnect fitting above. At the top of the fermenter, attach the pressure gauge and the vacuum braking pressure reducing valve using 1.5-inch tri-clamps. Attach the large cap and 3-inch cap on top using the corresponding clamps. And this is how it should look. Any extra ports can be closed with the included caps. Attach the quick disconnect fittings to the pump and mount it to a shelf underneath the mash tun. Attach the dip tube and mash tun plate. Attach 3 feet of silicone to the recirculation arm and attach to the upper mash tun port. Attach the ball valve and quick disconnect fitting. At the bottom of the mash tun, attach the butterfly valve and quick disconnect fitting. Cap off the back of the mash tun with two 1.5-inch caps. Press fit 3 5-foot lengths of silicone tubing to the barbed quick disconnect fittings and attach from the mash tun to the fermenter. From the pump inlet into the racking port, and from the recirculation port to the pump output.